Fried couscous is a delightful twist on the classic grain, bringing a crunchy golden edge to each fluffy bite. This vibrant fried couscous dish starts with the light, airy grains of couscous which soak up all the delicious flavors. Crisp yellow, green, and red bell peppers that add a rainbow of color and a mild sweetness. We have the Scotch bonnet, which brings an exciting spicy kick that keeps each bite exciting. We also have onion and mixed veggies, which add texture and layers of savory flavor. A blend of seasoning powder, aromatic curry powder, earthy thyme, and a pinch of salt infuses the dish with warmth and depth. And finally, a drizzle of some cooking oil ties everything together, helping the couscous toast to a golden perfection that is both crisp and tender. Start by measuring out the water according to your couscous package instructions. Typically, you use a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you're making 1 cup of couscous, boil 1 cup of water. Bring the water to a rolling boil in a pot or saucepan over medium to high heat. Once the water is boiling, add a pinch of salt. You should add about 1/4 to half teaspoon for each cup of water. The salt enhances the natural flavor of the couscous, giving it a well-seasoned taste. Drizzle about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil or your preferred cooking oil into the boiling water. This adds a slight richness to the couscous and helps keep the grains separate, resulting in a light and fluffy texture. As soon as you've added the salt and oil, turn off the heat. Pour the couscous into the boiling water, gently stirring to make sure it's fully submerged and evenly distributed. Place a lid on the pot and let the couscous sit on the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes. The couscous will absorb the hot water and soften without the need for additional cooking. After about 5 to 10 minutes, remove the lid. Then use a fork to gently fluff the couscous, breaking up any clumps to achieve a light, fluffy texture. If you're loving these flavors and can't wait to try this at home, show some love! Hit the like button, share this recipe with friends who need a little culinary inspiration, and drop a comment with your favorite twist on couscous. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious ideas coming your way. Let's keep cooking together. In a skillet or frying pan, heat up some cooking oil over medium heat. In some cultures, couscous is more than just food. It's often a symbol of hospitality and celebration. Add a chopped onion to the hot oil and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes until they become fragrant and translucent. Stir in the Scotch bonnet pepper. Fried couscous can be customized in countless ways. You can add a variety of vegetables, proteins like chicken, shrimp, or chickpeas, and spices, allowing for endless flavor combinations. Sprinkle in the thyme and the curry powder. Couscous contains essential nutrients like selenium, which is important for metabolism and can help protect against cell damage. Stir in the bell peppers and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, allowing them to soften and develop flavor. In some regions, couscous is traditionally steamed in a special pot called a couscous here, which consists of 2 tiers, allowing the couscous to absorb the flavors of the steaming vegetables and the meats below. Sprinkle in some seasoning powder. Couscous is often considered a healthier alternative to rice or pasta as it is lower in calories and has a good amount of fiber. Add the mixed veggies and continue to cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until everything is heated through. add some salt to taste. Fried couscous is best enjoyed immediately after cooking while it's hot and crispy. Add the cooked couscous to the frying pan. Stir well, mixing thoroughly and ensuring the couscous is evenly coated with the seasonings and heated through. Fried couscous pairs beautifully with various cuisines from Mediterranean to Middle Eastern, making it a globally appreciated dish. Allow the mixture to cook for some 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. This step gives the couscous a chance to crisp up slightly and absorb all the flavors from the vegetables and seasonings. Did you know that couscous has its roots in North Africa, where it has been a staple food for centuries? It is traditionally made from semolina wheat and is a key ingredient in dishes across countries like Morocco, Algeria, and Tunisia. And there you have it! Fried couscous is not just a dish, it's an experience that brings warmth and joy to the table. Each bite offers a delightful crunch combined with the vibrant colors and fresh flavors of bell peppers, onions, and spices. It's a beautiful blend of textures and taste, making it a perfect choice for any meal, whether as a comforting side or a satisfying main course. This dish not only nourishes the body but also warms the heart, inviting you to savor every moment. So why not give it a try? Dive into this culinary adventure and let the delicious flavors of fried couscous transform your dining experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed this recipe, please take a moment to like, comment, and share it with your friends. I would really love to hear your thoughts and any variations you might try. Don't forget to click on the videos in the end screen for more delicious ideas. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tasty update. My name is Rosaline and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. Together, let's keep exploring the world of cooking. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!